Hey guys, how are you? Today we're going to focus on the products in the skincare line that focus on targeted treatment areas. And the two products that take center stage are the Rejuvenating Serum and the eye cream. The eye cream is new in our lineup. It's been reformulated. The Rejuvenating Serum's been around for a little while. Today we're going to talk about Rejuvenating Serum and all the things. And I hope you love this video. So the serum combines powerful peptides, skin brightening niacinamide, glacial water, Nordic antioxidants, and honestly, the rejuvenating serum takes aim at people wanting to visibly reduce the signs of aging while enhancing the skin's brightness and our elasticity. I don't know why I grabbed down here, probably because that's the part I'm always worried about when it comes to elasticity. The serum has a huge roster of certified organic ingredients, and they shield against free radical damage. It's been dermatologist tested for allergies and irritants. And honestly, with the amount of testing that's been done, clinical studies, the number of ingredients Norwex will never include in any of our skincare products, this product definitely gives us a good, we know we have a commitment to quality, commitment to safety. So the reason why I love serum, I've been using this easily for a year and a half, is because it has many benefits. Number one, and my favorite, it is a warrior against our fine lines and wrinkles. It gives you visible improvement in the firmness and elasticity of our skin. It has a wealth of nourishment and what we like to call targeted moisturization that give us a youthful, radiant complexion. It also has some gentle exfoliating properties. They work to refine the skin's texture and give us nice luminosity. Niacinamide, we're going to talk more about niacinamide. That's a great ingredient. It refines the skin's clarity. It promotes an even skin tone. It enhances the natural exfoliation process of our skin. So it kind of like gives our skin a boost to doing things that it naturally does. It also has botanical extracts like watermelon rind, lentil fruit, and apple. And so it supports the skin, again, it supports the skin's own natural ability to moisturize. So this is what we want. We want to give our skin a boost. Plus, I love the packaging. The packaging is awesome. It's genius. Norwex is always being so innovative. I love that it has a no waste dropper, right? Goes all the way down to the bottom, so every drop gets used. This is going to save me money. It's going to save resources, and I'm going to be sure to use every last drop of it, right? So it's going to trim cost, supports the environment with reduced waste. You just get a refill cartridge for this when it's empty. And the refills are great. I recommend if you love the serum, you opt in for the auto ship and save program. I do that myself. And that gives me an extra 10% off my refills. Plus, now the refill cartridges are $10 less. This is also certified vegan, cruelty-free. So let's kind of talk about the scientific side, which I think is very important. The serum has been subject to many rigorous studies, third-party clinical trials spanning at least 8 weeks, and the rejuvenating serum over and over again showed its power of reducing fine lines and wrinkles, amping up the skin's plumpness, and boosting hydration and luminosity. The people in the studies visibly saw firmness in their skin, which is pretty amazing. And I've had several customers who've been, because this has been around for a while, right? We didn't change the formula. I've had several customers over the last year, year and a half post photos. One was very recent in my VIP group showing the skin's difference, right? In like a 1 week time. So with continued use, obviously it just gets better from there. But people are truly amazed at how well this works. It refines our texture of our skin, promotes an even, youthful glow, which we all want, right? So let's talk about the ingredients. The serum has a proprietary blend of Nordic antioxidants. We talked a little bit about them yesterday: cloudberry, lingonberry, sea buckthorn. Those effectively counteract free radical harm. It also has matrixyl 3000, which some of you may have heard of before. That is actually a peptide that improves our skin's elasticity. It improves the tone and it reduces wrinkles. Give me all the matrixyl, right? Niaminoside, which I've mentioned a couple times. I'm sure you've heard of it many times. It is a powerhouse. What it does is it diminishes age spots and gives us an even skin tone. It also has a duo of alpha hydroxy acids. I believe they are glycolic acid and lactic acid. I had like a brain blip for a minute. What those do, pretty cool. They infuse brilliance through gentle exfoliation, again fostering the skin's own natural ability to do that. It has Aquacell. Aquacell is a combination of watermelon rind extract, lentil fruit extract, and apple extract, and they hydrate our skin. So targeted hydration. It also has blue jojoba oil bubble capsules. What these do is they give us like encapsulated moisturizing. And we can't forget about the glacial water. You've heard me mention that a couple times now. What that does is that promotes optimal moisture absorption, and it also balances the pH of our skin. It's a technique. When I use this serum, the technique I recommend is just gently damping your fingertips. And that to me helps me spread it around a little bit better. If you have oily skin, like I've had people, my sister has oily skin and she's like, oh, I don't need to moisturize. I actually have oily skin. My skin's already glowing, right? So remember that even oily skin craves moisture. And if you're no stranger to like oil and breakouts, moisturizing becomes even more important when you have dry skin, because dry skin is actually what's triggering that excessive oil production, and it leads to more blemishes and issues with the skin. So I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.